Hi everybody, welcome to Scholar. Today we are going to do the purple level tricky words. So let's get started. Always, always. ALWAYS. Always, always. Always be kind. Always, always. Father, father. FATHER, father, father. This is my father, father. Upon, upon. UPON, upon, upon. She placed the apple upon the table, upon, upon. Cover, cover. COVER, cover, cover. You must cover your food. Cover, cover. 8, 8. EIGHT, 8, 8. 8 is my lucky number. 8, 8. Every, every. EVERY, every, every. Every day is beautiful. Every, every. Once, once. ONCE, once, once. I only met him once, once. Also, also. ALSO, also, also. They also like soccer. Also, also. After, after. AFTER, after, after. June comes after May. After, after. Love, love. LOVE, love, love. I love my parents. Love, love. Mother, mother. MOTHER, mother, mother. My mother is the best. Mother, mother. Okay, so we are done with all the words for the purple level. Now let's go ahead and revise it. And parents, at this time, if you want to test your child, go ahead and mute the video and let them see the word on the screen. And if they do not know the word, the video can be unmuted so they can hear the word and revise it. So keep doing this till your child learns to perfect a word that's on the screen. Let's try to read. Let's get started with the first word. What do you think this word is? If you're having trouble reading the word, start by sounding the first few letters. Ah, father, 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 father. Next one. Try sounding the word. A, after, after. Good job. Next word. Ooh, ooh. Love, love, love. Next word. Mm, mm. Mother, mother. Good job. Next word. All, always, always. Very good job. Next word. Up, up, on, upon. Very good job. Next word. C, c, cover, cover, cover. Good job. Next word. Eh, eh, eight, eight. Next word. Eh, eh, every, every. Excellent. Next word. Once, once. Last word. Also, also. All the levels have been completed so far. So let me know in the next video what you would like for me to cover. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.